this. Let me show you this function for the dx, which is 3 to the 2x. So what type of function is this?
Control panel? I don't know.
So when you look at different type of functions, so you have a linear function, and then you have quadratic functions, and you have exponential functions. So you will learn more of these when you go to the high school. But as I'm going to give you a little glance of those functions right now. Okay. So exponential function, square root, or you can call it as a radical functions. Can you guys hear me?
Yeah.
Okay. So radical functions, and also we have the rational functions. So these are all the different functions you will learn. But when you go to the algebra, you're going to learn this and this. And probably at the end of the algebra, I mean like 9th grade, freshman year, and then after that, in junior year, you're going to learn more about these. Okay?
Yeah.
So they are all different functions. But at this time, right here, we have, it's called exponential function. Let me change my color so you can see that color there. So this one is called the exponential function. Okay, so this is an exponential function.
Okay.
So exponential functions, the graphs normally looks like this. Let's say if I put a graph like this. So the graph of the exponential functions in general shows like this. Okay. So what you can do for the exponential function at this your level, so what we can see is like we can create an input-output table for this. Okay. So what does the input-output table look like is, so it's basically we're going to write a input and an output. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to the next page, and then we're going to write an input-output table. So you understand this one, right? Basically.
Yeah, isn't it just your x and y value?
Yeah, so basically input-output table is nothing but is x and y values. So you see that one is, this is the x value, which is input, and this gx is going to be your output. So what I'm going to do right here, so your gx is 3 to the 2x. So I'm going to make a table right now. So we can create this table. So use the other space to do the math. And I am going to write down, this is the x, and this is gx. Or you can call this is, let me change the color here. This is also input.
Yeah.
This is the output. Okay. I'll write it down. This is domain, and also called range. Okay. So let's take some numbers. Let's say -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. So you guys take turns and complete this table up here and see what type of output we can get out of this. Okay. If you needed some space for the work, please use this space. It's better to show you work, so that way you can get some idea of this. Okay, this is good.
97.7 times 3, 17, 674.
Very good. I like your work. Nice. I want you to check this number right here.
It's 301.
Okay. You can use this eraser right here at the bottom. So if you need to erase any of this work, you can erase it and then you can do the work. Nice. So I have a quick question on this 71 though. I don't think it is going to be a bigger number. So it has to be a fraction. Let's check it. If not, we can check that.
Oh, is it 10471?
Yeah.
Because
so
when you divide a number by negative, it's always...
That's right. So I'm going to show you quickly, okay? So just keep an eye on here. Let me change the color.
No, I'm fine.
It's a different color.
Comma.
Okay.
Hmm.
Now eyes on here, both of you guys. Okay. So if I take a negative 2, 3 to the second exponent of negative 2. Agree?
Yeah.
So which is I can write a 3 to the negative 4. Make sense?
Yep.
But when you have a negative exponent, you make a positive exponent by reciprocal, which is 3 to the positive 4th exponent. So which is 3 to the 4th power means 3 times 3 times 3 times 3.
So then 1 over 81.
Which is
1 over 81.
81. So 1 over 81 is for the output for this. Okay? So very careful when you have a negative exponent. Positive exponents, no problem. This is good, this is good, this is good. And what do you guys think of this?
Good. Good.
Okay, so plug in this number also, 3 to the negative 1 exponent, and see what you get for the negative 1 right here. Alright, very good. So I can see all the values up there. So obviously when I see this one, I can see all the values are coming up there, but I don't see anything negative number here. Do you see any negative number here?
No, it's all positive because of
All the
2.
positive numbers. Since the exponent is there, all the positive numbers. So that's a domain. We gave you the negative numbers and positive numbers, but the range, I only get the positive numbers. So that's right. There you go. Positive real numbers. Okay? So that's how we do it.